of the job coming together. All right, I'm going to give you the rundown on the hot stock diesel class. 8th place, Jason King. 7th place, John King. 6th place, John Savage. 5th place, Jeff Allen. 4th place, Casey Gildersleeve. 3rd place, Brian Winery. 2nd place, Dustin Kraft. And your winner tonight, Dale Bennett, Chevy Duramax Diesel, 290 feet, .93. We are now in the V8 Antique Tractor class. Our first puller, ladies, here's our second female puller tonight. Let her know you care. Tammy Yusko out of Greenville, 1949 Oliver 88. It's got a 496 cubic inch engine. They call this tractor Olive Nasty. Tammy Yusko pulling this tractor. Now this tractor started the season really strong. Something happened on the day. They've really been working trying to get her back coming on. That's going to cause some problems.